Greetings and welcome. Today we turn our attention to a truly remarkable and vibrant plant, often known by its common name, the pot marigold, Calendula officinalis. For centuries, calendula has been long valued for its vivid, sun-like blossoms and profound healing properties. Its rich history stretches back through time, woven into the fabric of various traditions. Ancient Egyptians held it in high esteem, recognizing its rejuvenating qualities, while in Ayurvedic and Unani medicine, it was traditionally used to support skin health and promote detoxification. European herbalists have long cherished calendula, often prepared as a soothing balm or infused oil from myriad skin complaints. Its cheerful presence in gardens was not merely for beauty, but for its trusted, gentle touch in household remedies. At its heart, calendula possesses a spectrum of powerful yet gentle medicinal properties. It is widely recognized as an exceptional vulnerary, meaning it supports the healing of wounds. Beyond this, calendula is a potent anti-inflammatory, known to soothe irritated tissues, and an antiseptic, helping to cleanse and protect compromised skin. It also acts as a lymphatic mover, gently encouraging the body's natural systems to process and eliminate waste, particularly important for skin health and swollen glands. These combined actions mean calendula is known to support the body in repairing skin, reducing redness, and providing a clean environment for healing. Given these properties, calendula finds its way into many common modern uses. It is an excellent ally for soothing minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, providing comfort and aiding regeneration. Parents often turn to it for alleviating diaper rash or cradle cap due to its gentle nature. It can calm the itch and irritation of insect bites, eczema, and even mild fungal issues. Internally, a mild calendula tea is often used to support digestive comfort, particularly for mild gut inflammation, and can be a soothing gargle for sore throats. Preparing and using calendula at home is wonderfully simple, making its benefits accessible to all. Let us explore a few practical methods. First, a calendula tea. This is best used for internal support, such as for digestive comfort or as a gargle for sore throats, or as a gentle skin wash. To prepare, simply steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried calendula flowers in 1 cup of hot water. Allow it to infuse for about 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. It offers a mild, slightly bitter taste, which can be mellowed with a touch of honey if desired. For a skin wash, allow it to cool completely before applying with a soft cloth. Next, a calendula-infused oil. This is the foundation for many topical preparations and is wonderful for direct skin application, such as for massage or general moisturizing, especially for dry or irritated skin. To make it, fill a clean, dry glass jar, about 2/3 full, with dried calendula flowers. Cover the flowers completely with a carrier oil, such as olive oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. Ensure all plant material is submerged to prevent mold. Place the jar in a sunny window for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it gently every few days. After this time, strain out the flowers, and you will have a potent, golden infused oil ready for use. From your infused oil, you can easily create a calendula salve. This is best for a more concentrated skin healing application, providing a protective barrier over minor wounds, chapped skin, or dry patches. To prepare, gently heat 1 cup of your calendula-infused oil with about 1 ounce of beeswax pellets in a double boiler until the beeswax is fully melted. Stir well to combine. Once melted, pour the warm liquid into small tins or jars. As it cools, it will solidify into a healing salve, ready to soothe and protect. Finally, a simple calendula poultice can offer immediate relief. This method is best for acute skin irritations, localized inflammation, or minor wounds. If using fresh flowers, simply crush them gently to release their juices. If using dried flowers, rehydrate them with a small amount of warm water until soft. Apply the crushed or rehydrated plant material directly to the affected area and cover with a clean cloth or bandage. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes to an hour, or until relief is felt. In practical notes, calendula is commonly used whenever the skin needs soothing, repair, or protection. It's also a wonderful herb to combine with others. For instance, it pairs beautifully with chamomile for extra calming effects on sensitive skin, or with lavender for its soothing aroma and additional skin benefits. For more drying properties, plantain can be a good companion. As for safety, calendula is generally considered very gentle and safe for most people, including children. However, as with any plant, a rare individual may have an allergic reaction, particularly those sensitive to plants in the Asteraceae family, like ragweed or daisies. It is always wise to perform a small patch test before widespread use, especially if you have known sensitivities. It is not intended for deep or heavily infected wounds without professional medical guidance. Calendula remains a cherished and invaluable ally in the herbal apothecary, a testament to its gentle yet powerful healing qualities that have stood the test of time. Its bright blossoms offer not just beauty, but a trusted source of comfort and regeneration for the body, inside and out. As with all traditional herbal knowledge, this information is shared for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Do you have a favorite way to use calendula? Or perhaps a question about its gentle power? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And be sure to visit homesteadingadvice.com to learn more about herbal remedies.